Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karuna and today I'm going to show you how to prepare milk biscuits. This is a buttery, soft and chewy version of a milk biscuit and it will taste absolutely delicious. So let's take a look at the ingredients and let's get started. You'll need 1 cup of milk powder, half cup of butter, 1/3 cup of sugar, half tablespoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. In a wide mixing plate, add all these ingredients and make a soft dough. There's no need to use water. You can make a dough using this butter. Once you add all the butter, you can just sprinkle a tiny bit of water and try to make a stiff dough. The dough should be of this consistency. Once the dough is ready, you can make a small block out of it. And we can keep it in the freezer for about 30 minutes and then we can slice our cookies for baking. You need not have to make a perfect block. If it's looking like this and if it stands like this, it's fine. Once you make these blocks, you can put them in a box and keep it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, these blocks are nice and stiff and using a knife, you can cut them to desired thickness. It will look something like this, of this thickness. And you can just place them on a baking tray. No need to worry about crumbs like this, you can just put them away. You can make this dough and freeze it for about 2 weeks and you can bake them whenever you want. Before you slice them for baking, just make sure that it's slightly defrosted. Once you prepare a dough like this, you can store this in the freezer for about 2 weeks and whenever you feel like baking something, you can just defrost this, slice them like this, line them on a baking tray, bake them and you can enjoy freshly baked milk biscuits. I'll bake these cookies for about 8 to 10 minutes in 350 Fahrenheit. Once the oven is preheated, just put the cookie tray in the oven and make sure to check after 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, these cookies have baked completely. It did not even take 8 to 10 minutes. They turned light brown after 5 minutes only. And while they are still hot, you can just use a knife and try to separate these cookies. Using this knife, I have separated out all the biscuits and I'll just let them rest for about an hour before I transfer them to a different container. You can see that the crust is light brown. After about an hour, these cookies have completely cooled and you can just use a knife and remove them easily. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you ever try out this recipe, please let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.